Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to take screenshots with OBS Studio using a custom hotkey. This is super useful when you want to quickly capture specific moments while streaming or recording. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS is running and you can see the main interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu bar there with several options. Click on File to open a drop-down menu, and from that menu, select Settings. This will open the settings window where you can customize various aspects of OBS, including hotkeys for different functions. When the settings window appears, look at the left panel where you'll see a list of different configuration categories. From this list, click on Hotkeys. This section is where you can assign keyboard shortcuts for virtually any action in OBS, making your workflow much faster and more efficient. It's particularly handy for tasks you perform frequently, like taking screenshots during a stream or recording session. Now, once you're in the Hotkeys menu, you'll need to scroll down through the list of available hotkey options. Keep scrolling until you find the option labeled Screenshot Output. This is the specific function we're setting up today. Right beside Screenshot Output, you'll see an empty text field. Click on that text field to activate it, then simply press the key you want to use as your screenshot hotkey. For example, you could press F1 or choose any other key that works for you. The key you press will immediately appear in the field confirming your selection. After you've assigned your preferred hotkey, click the Apply button at the bottom of the settings window. This saves your hotkey assignment to OBS. Then click OK to close the settings window and return to the main OBS interface. Your hotkey is now active and ready to use whenever you need it. From this point forward, taking screenshots is incredibly simple. Anytime OBS is open, just press your assigned hotkey. For instance, if you set F1 as your hotkey, simply press F1 whenever you want to capture a screenshot. OBS will instantly take a screenshot of whatever is currently visible in your preview window, and it does this without interrupting your stream or recording. Now, to view all the screenshots you've captured, go back to the upper left corner and click on File again. From the drop-down menu, select Show Recordings. This will open the folder where OBS stores all your recordings and screenshots, allowing you to easily access and manage your captured images. And that's it. You've successfully set up a screenshot hotkey in OBS Studio, making it easy to capture moments instantly with just a single key press. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.